from the station you count on for local news that matters. This is KARK4 News at 6.
Abortion access in Arkansas is behind the latest shakeup for this coming November election. Hello, everybody. I'm Bob Clausen. Thanks for joining us at 6. Laura has the evening off. Well, late last night, the state Supreme Court filed an order giving a proposed amendment to expand abortion access another chance at getting on the ballot. Neil Zerang joining us now live from the Arkansas Supreme Court. Neil, both sides of a lawsuit over this praising the order. Why?
Bob, it's because it isn't the final decision that justices will have to make. In fact, there's still some time for either the Secretary of State or the advocacy group behind this proposed amendment to come out on top. An order from the Arkansas Supreme Court Tuesday night gives Secretary of State John Thurston a Monday morning deadline. His office must count the signatures gathered by volunteers for the proposed abortion amendment ballot initiative by Monday at 9 a.m. Over 90,000 valid signatures are necessary to meet the threshold to appear on November's ballot. Thurston's office said Wednesday they have seen the Arkansas Supreme Court's order and will comply with that directive. Shortly after over 100,000 signatures were turned in on the July 5th deadline, Thurston rejected more than 14,000 because he said they came from paid canvassers who lacked legally required paperwork.
The fight right now is whether or not those should be counted.
Arkansans For Limited Government are advocating for the amendment. They sued after they say they provided the required documents and were given no opportunity to fix the error, an error the state's top attorney called a failure for which they only have themselves to blame. Attorney General Tim Griffin adding, "I am pleased with the Arkansas Supreme Court's narrow order." His opposition is also pleased.
The Attorney General's initial argument in his filing got slapped down a little bit by the Supreme Court, so that's encouraging for us.
Sam Watson says the court's decision validates the work of hundreds of volunteers and thousands of those signing the petition. However, the future of whether abortion access gets expanded in November still awaits another court motion.
What is happening, we can't really say. That's going to be up to the Supreme Court.
A minority, 3 out of the 7 Supreme Court justices wanted to grant an extra 30 days for Arkansans For Limited Government to collect the signatures they thought they'd need to reach that requirement for the November ballot, but it was not part of the order last night. We're going to have to wait and see if those signatures counted for Monday sway any additional justices. Reporting live in Little Rock, Neil Zerang, KARK4 News.
Neil, thanks very much. And of course, you can head to KARK.com for a full timeline of the proposed abortion amendment developments.